Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm just showing you how you can start with the Bitcoin, and how you can start it and how you can earn it. Right now you can see this is my balance available, and this is my Bitcoin balance. Okay, I go to multiple entities, and in here I choose the first one is Bitcoin. Is automatically choose it, and come down in here is type it 2.1. Okay, so it pay you 5, but don't worry. And in here I have a multiple bidding amount. In here I lose when before I making video. And how I can start, I click one of these. There's a bit high, you can see I lose. I just click 2x, bit low, I win. I just click minimum again, and then click bid, just click 2x bid, I win. I just click minimum. Just remember the balance I have and how much I earn in just maybe 10 minutes. Okay, just I start bidding. Every time I lose I just increase a bit, you can see. And right now I have a 9,000 Satoshi. I just click bid. Okay, when I get bid again, increase it, bid, I win again. Okay, my internet connection is a little bit slow today, and about that it's loading very okay. Take much more time for loading because of that. Okay, every time I win I didn't increase a bit, every time I lose I increase a bit. Okay, I pause the video. After 12 o'clock I come back and show you how much I earn. Okay guys, and now you can see I beating for 10 minutes. Maybe it's I earn more than 1000 BTC in just 10 minutes beating in here. And you can see 9,828 Satoshi I have. I earned 2.40, and that's it guys. And you can easily convert your BTC to your manual BTC, but be careful, you lose your whole account if you didn't careful for in beating. In my beating amount you can see I 3 time lose, 1 time win. In here 3 time lose, 1 time win, lose, 2 time win, back to back. And this 3 time lose, 1 time win. This is the all my trade. I lose for 5 time, maybe 6 time in this all trade I do. Maybe I lose for 6 time. Okay, and I go to history to show you all the process in the story. You can see. Okay, where is the going to next. Okay, you can see the history of my processing. I show you the 5 time lose, back to back 5 time lose. This is one winning page. Okay, this is not 5 time lose in here. Okay, in here I have a 3 time lose. Okay, in here you can see 2, 4, 5 time lose, back to back lose, and 1 time win. Then I go to 2 time win again, then 5 time lose again. And this is all about to manage your trading and manage your speed of gambling, and you can also create much more amount you love with these. And thanks for watching guys, and this website link available in description for those who didn't come here to didn't know what is the Faucetpay, I have a video, and bye bye for now.